So you might already have strong vocabulary and idioms to impress your readers. However, some of you might want to go further with your English expressions. So let's look at metaphors. What are metaphors? To put it simply, they are a word or phrase for something that is used to refer to another thing to show or suggest that they are similar. It can be an object, activity, or idea that is used as a symbol of something else. For example, Sam is the black sheep of the family. Mary is a breath of fresh air. Life's a game. You're a sight for sore eyes. John has nerves of steel. For the first example, we know Sam is not really a sheep. The black sheep symbolizes Sam as having qualities of disgrace and dishonor. Similarly, Mary is not literally fresh air, but we know that it symbolizes her with refreshing change. Lastly, John doesn't literally have nerves made of steel. It just means in a fancy way that he is calm and brave in difficult situations. Here's how metaphors can improve your compo. You see, not only do metaphors elevate your sentences, but they also make them more concise.